Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing your niche and why that matters. Concentrated intent converts. Once chosen, sign into Google and create a new Google site using a clean template. This gets you live fast. Make sure to collect 5 strong keywords and join 3 relevant affiliate programs right away so you have products and tracking links. Start building a single landing page that targets one keyword. This avoids spreading effort thin and gives you measurable, early data. You now expand the site. Build a clear homepage, 3 product pages, and 1 authoritative blog post to support the keyword cluster. While adding content, optimize title tags, meta descriptions, H1s, internal links, and image alt text to communicate relevance to Google. Once done, insert affiliate links with a visible disclosure and wrap links with UTM parameters or a short redirect to track clicks. Make sure pages load fast and use descriptive anchor text so both users and search crawlers understand intent. You publish and then connect your Google site to Search Console and Analytics to measure impressions, clicks, and behavior. This is how you know what to improve. After launch, crawl the site to catch errors, fix broken pages, slow assets, and mobile layout shifts. If traffic or rankings fall short, refresh content with updated info, earn 3 relevant backlinks, and a /B test calls to action to boost conversion. 1 troubleshooting tip. If Google won't index, inspect URL in Search Console and submit a reindex request after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.